Do you see those girls with beautiful, long and gorgeous hair and never wondered, how can I make my hair grow like that? Although you can't change factors such as your age or your genetics, there is one thing that you can change, which is guaranteed to transform your hair from dry and brittle to strong and healthy. If you wish to have long hair, give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel to see how I live a healthy life here in Beverly Hills. So for healthy hair, of course it's important to limit your exposure to the hot styling tools and harsh chemicals, and you can totally do like different hair treatments and repair masks and things like that. But in this video, I'm gonna focus on what's really important that's going to make the difference in the long term, and that is feeding your hair from the inside. I will share with you the most effective foods that you can easily incorporate into your diet to rapidly speed up your hair growth. I personally eat all of these foods every day, and I very rarely use any hot styling tools, maybe just a blow dry once in a while, and my hair has been in the best condition ever. I have very few split ends, like almost none, which means my hair doesn't require a trim as often, allowing me to grow my hair even longer. So if you're interested in what I eat to grow and strengthen my hair, then keep on watching. So the first thing that I highly suggest you eat every day is dark leafy greens like spinach, kale, collard greens. Any dark green thing is great. Dark leafy greens contain so many nutrients and minerals that help promote hair growth, like folate, iron, vitamin A. All of those are going to be so beneficial for your hair. I always keep a bag of frozen spinach and frozen kale in my freezer, so it's just so easy to pull it out, put it in any stew, soup, or today I'm going to make a tortilla omelet roll with spinach. So come on, I'll show you how to make it. It's going to be delicious. So as you can see, I'm about to make my omelet here, which brings me to my next point. Omelet or eggs provide protein, and protein is extremely crucial for hair growth because hair follicles are actually made out of mostly protein. Now for the next part, I'm gonna take this tortilla, it's a gluten-free tortilla, and I'm just gonna slap it on and glue it onto the omelet like this. And just leave it and let it cook. Alright, my next tip is consuming enough biotin. Biotin is essential for the production of hair protein called keratin. This is why biotin supplements are mostly marketed for hair growth. But you can totally get biotin from other sources like eating nuts for snacks. I love eating almonds, cashews, walnuts, and also you can get biotin from seeds and legumes. So I use chia seeds pretty much every morning in my oatmeal. I also like to sprinkle hemp hearts onto my oatmeal or chia seed pudding, which actually you can check out my recent breakfast recipes where I do that. And also legumes provide you biotin as well. So another great food source for your hair are berries. Strawberries, blueberries, blackberries. They contain antioxidants which help protect your hair follicles from the harmful elements in the environment called free radicals. They naturally exist in your bodies and out in the world. I love to fill up with berries first thing in the morning with my chia seed oatmeal. I'm adding strawberries, blueberries, a bit of banana, and also hemp seeds for an extra boost of hair health. Then I'm adding my favorite peanut butter. This is my new birthday cake flavored peanut butter with sprinkles. It's so good. I literally eat this every single morning. Berries also contain vitamin C, which is not only great for your immune support, but also aids in the production of collagen. and helps iron absorption, which are the two factors that help promote hair growth. Guys, there is one supplement I do take religiously, and it's called Biosil. Unlike other vitamins or biotin supplements, this product actually helps you generate your own collagen, keratin, and elastin, which doesn't only benefit your hair, but also helps improve your skin and your nails. I've been taking this product for over a year now, and I've been seeing a lot of improvements. Like, my hair feels and seems much fuller in different areas where I remember it being really thin. And also my nails feel stronger. I've never really had any major problems with my skin, but I'm hoping that this product would help slow down the aging process and prevent wrinkles in the future. I really like this product for hair especially, so I would recommend this to anyone who desires to have longer and fuller hair. I get this product from Amazon. I will leave a link in the description box if you're interested. I just take 2 pills, one in the morning and one in the evening. And this concludes my video. I hope you take all of these tips and grow yourself some long and strong hair. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more healthy recipes and health related videos. And if you want to see more beauty related videos like this, let me know in the comments below. Okay? Bye!